Welcome back. In this video, we will see what is rendering in Revit. So before we jump into how to create a rendered image in Revit, let's see what is rendering in general. Rendering in general is a digital processing of a three-dimensional model into a two-dimensional image, resulting in an image with a high degree of realism. Rendering in Revit. It's absolutely possible to render in Revit without the need for any plugins or any third-party software. For all this year, Revit Render ended up being underestimated, but it is absolutely possible to get very good result with it, as we have two ways to work with. The first way is using render in Revit option, and the second way we have is render in the cloud option. So let's see how we can use the first way, that is render in Revit option. Rendering in Revit is a very simple process where with just a few steps we can get our realistic image. You can follow the below 3 steps before you start creating a rendered image. Step 1, add all necessary artificial lights in your project. Step 2, add a camera view. Step 3, you can access the rendering window to make a series of adjustments to the view which you are going to create the render. So in our next video, we will see how we can add artificial lights into our project so we can create a rendered image for that particular project. Thank you very much.